Hi, this is Korean꾸야. We'll learn how to cook on the internet. Merry Christmas, everyone. Here in Philippines, Christmas is faster than Halloween. If you go to mall in Philippines, you can see the Christmas tree everywhere. So Merry Christmas, early Merry Christmas. It's been a long time, right? Good to see you again, guys. I visit province during the almost 1 month, over 1 month. There's nothing. I couldn't bring my cooks, also ingredients. So I tried to make a dance cover video. But it was too hard for me, so I quit. Okay, today I'm gonna make a very simple Korean food. Really simple, like a peanut butter and jelly. It's called 간장계란밥. It means soy sauce, egg, and rice. When I was a kid, my father used to make this for me, so I want to call this Papa's rice. If you can make a sunny side up, that's it. Done. Boom! I will prepare the rice in here like this, and 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, egg. Ta-da! Finish. Done. This is so Korean style, but I will make a little bit different style. I will add a little bit special ingredients. Corned beef. Because there's no corned beef in Korea. I used to make with a 장조림, yeah, or 멸치볶음. Time to eat. Super simple. I told you, it's a super simple. Let's try this. So good. Yeah. Okay. One more time. Thanks, Dad. Anyway, yeah. Enjoy your 간장계란밥. Yeah. It was a Korean food.